curved the boats and bent the light, turned the cobblestones to mirrors for the slow blue of the night.
You pulled your collar to your cheek and laughed and walked right through, and all that weather learned to soften at the sight of you.
Storm shook diamonds from his coat outside a little café door. We stood there warm and dripping, wanting nothing more. No grand romance, no borrowed lines,
just rain and breath and skin,
and that city full of water. Let the deeper calm come in Bergen rain.
you leaned into me like home, while the harbor lights were breaking on the shining stone. The whole world blurred around us, but you came clear and warm. In Bergen rain, love found a softer kind of form.
Maybe tenderness needs weather, needs the streets to slow us down, needs a sky that keeps on weeping till there's no need left to drown.
You touched my arm so lightly, yet it steadied everything,
And all those old unsettled thoughts
lost their wish to sting.
even the rain wanted us closer, wanted the distance small, wanted the city to whisper that gentleness outlives it all. So let the clouds keep talking to the windows and the sea. I remember Bergen raining like a blessing over me. In Bergen rain, you leaned into me like home, and every wet and shining street made the heart more known. The whole world blurred around us, but nothing felt forlorn. In Bergen rain, love learned how quiet warmth is warm. Hmm.